Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to block someone on Gmail, updated for 2024. If you're tired of receiving unwanted emails or messages, blocking a sender is a quick way to regain control of your inbox. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, you'll need to navigate to your chat section. To do this, tap the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your conversations and allow you to manage your messages. Next, find the sender you want to block. Scroll through the list of conversations until you locate the one from the person you want to block. Once you've found it, tap on their name or their profile picture to open the conversation. Now look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. These dots represent the options menu. Tap on them, and a drop-down menu will appear with different actions you can take. From this menu, select Block and Report. This option will block the sender and also report them for spam if needed. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to block the person. Tap Block, and you're all set. The sender will be blocked, meaning you won't receive any more emails or chats from them. Blocking someone on Gmail not only prevents them from messaging you, but also helps keep your inbox clean and spam-free. And if you ever change your mind, you can always unblock them later, using the same steps. That's it. You've successfully blocked a sender on Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.